Hello class, I'm Mr. Lee. Today we are going to study a very important topic, especially in nowadays, that is skills needed in distant learning. What is a distant learning? Some may refer to it as e-learning or e-classroom and etc. But they all mean the same. That is, you learn at home. You learn at home in your own pace without a teacher. You learn without a teacher at home. This is called a distant learning. But to be successful in distant learning, you need to have knowledge. You need to have skills. That is why I think that it is very important to introduce to you skills that are needed in distant learning. Are you ready? Can we start now? Watch carefully and listen carefully. We are going to start. Number one, set a time. You have to set a time for your study. You have to set an appropriate time for your distant learning. For example, after breakfast at 8 o'clock. After breakfast at 8. Since you already have your breakfast, you have energy, you have enough energy. So at 8, you can start your distant learning. You can begin to on your computer, look at the video, the instruction given by teacher, and then perhaps do some exercises. All right. The important thing is you have to set a time, whether it is 8 a.m., 7:30 a.m., or even 9 a.m. I think that is fine as long as you feel that the time is suitable for you. Number two, place. You have to search for a place in your house which is conducive, which is appropriate for you to learn. So, a suggestion I gave here is a quiet room with a fan or an air condition or an air condition. I think that is necessary for you to create a conducive atmosphere for studying. And also, um, please be known that your younger brothers or sister, you can invite them to play outside the room or in other room. Don't allow your younger brothers or sister with you at this moment when you're studying, when you are doing the distant learning, because they might disturb you. They may think that, oh, you are playing with a computer. You on the laptop and you must be playing with some computer games. So I want to stay beside you and then perhaps we can play together. No, that is not true. You have to tell your younger brothers and sister that you are actually studying. You are actually doing this distant learning. All right. Now, number three, for writing, you have to get ready your textbook, your notebooks, and also pencils. Perhaps you need to write down or do your homework or to jot down some notes from the teacher or from the video. Next, video and YouTube. This is interesting. Yeah, this is interesting. Okay, now it is quite different from the learning from the usual classroom that you experienced before. Since this is a video, yeah, since this is a video, it means that if you do not understand or if you are not clear uh, what is the content in the video, this is the fun part. This is the fun part. That is, you can repeat that video many times until you understand. All right. So you may repeat from the beginning. You may repeat from a certain point. You can use a very good function in a video that is pause. Sometimes when you look at the video, sometimes when you look at a teaching, you think that it is too fast, you want to hold it a while, you can always pause. You can always use this function, pause. And another thing, you have to use a headphone. Yeah, you have to use a headphone because a headphone can help you to listen carefully. A headphone can let you listen clearly to the content of the video. And also, don't forget, when you use a good headphone, yeah, when you use a good headphone, it means that you will be more concentrate on the video. Yeah, you will be more concentrate on the video and will not easily disturbed by the things or the sound around you. Okay, I'm going to show you what do I mean by repeat from the beginning, from certain point, and pause. Let me see. Okay, for example, you have a video here. Okay, while you're playing the video, okay, you're playing the video. See,
The
this
Little
is the
Pianist.
pause. This you play, you press this. If you want to pause,
By
you
Bridge.
press this. Then it will stop for a while. It will pause for a while. And this one, you can move it forward and backward. Let's say you want to repeat from um, from the time 1 minute, or you would start at 3 minutes. Start at 3 minutes and 47 seconds. It's up to you. You can move this. You can move uh, forward or backward as you like, and you can listen to it many times. Okay, so this is what I mean by repeat. Yep, sorry. Okay, you can repeat from the beginning, from a certain point, or pause and then use a headphone. Okay, number five. Number five, get help or ask. If you don't understand, don't just keep it by yourself. Always ask. Ask your parents. Ask your big brothers or sisters. All right? Okay. And also, since you are using the Google Classroom, you may also ask or type the question in the comment. Yeah, in the comment in the Google Classroom. I believe the teachers, when they see your questions, they will answer your questions. Okay, number six, hand in or turn in. Hand in, hand in your homework. But in a Google Classroom, they use the turn in. Yeah, they use the term turn in. Turn in your homework. That is hand in your homework. All right. You have to um hand in your work on time and every day. You have to hand in your work or turn in your work on time and every day. Yeah. Do not delay in completing your work. You have to complete your work every day. Okay, now last but not least, this is very important, self-discipline. You have to concentrate on your learning, self-discipline. In school, if you are not paying attention, a teacher will come. A teacher will come and scold you. A teacher will come and remind you. But at home, if you don't do your homework, if you don't follow the teachers um, in the Google Classroom, the teacher can the teacher will not come and confront you with this. So you have to have a high self discipline. It means that you have to take care of yourself. Yeah, you have to become a teacher of yourself. You have to teach yourself. Okay, I hope my sharing on the topic skills needed in distant learning will help you. So I hope that everyone will have a happy learning day at home. Thank you very much.